Hello everyone, I'm Yash Bhakchandani and today I found something very interesting. Let's see that. Here you can see the chart of Nifty 50. The pink line shows the Nifty 50 PE ratio and the green line shows the Nifty 50 price, that is index price that was trading at that time. The data starts from April 1, 2021 and till the recording of this video, that's January 8 to 2026. Okay, so in Nifty 50 what we can see is after Corona boom, when Corona crash happened, then Corona boom in 2021 and prices were rising like crazy. So PE ratio of Nifty 50, that's the main index of India. It's Nifty 50 and its PE is around above 30. And the normal range for that is between 19 to 24 around. So after that, there was at this point in October 14, from that point on there was a time correction, and in 2022 the market was generally, the broad market was down. So Nifty 50 was also falling, and the Nifty 50 PE ratio then bottomed at around 18.99. It was in 2022. I previously mentioned the band at which the Nifty trades. It's from 20 to 24. Sometimes it goes below 20 and after that a big sharp rally follows. So here we saw the same thing uh, from the June 2024, June 2022, we saw a good up move in Nifty 50 and the PE ratio then at around December the PE ratio was 22. So this then again went some small correction and the rally continued till we saw like the PE ratio peaked here at around 24, which is the upper band of PE, normal PE range. And after that we saw correction in 2025 because of Trump tariffs, and after that currently it is trading around 22.5, so it is in the gray area. Currently we can't say it's overvalued, but we can't say even it's undervalued. It's in the medium range. Then we can see the Nifty Midcap. In Nifty Midcap we can see that the PE ratio are current starting very high, like same as Nifty 50, but as with the time the PE ratio was falling because of the growth of mid-cap companies. The earnings growth were higher. The price was rising, still the PE was falling, means the growth was very high. When there is double-digit growth, the PE ratio comes down even if the price goes up. So in this time period, the mid-cap PE was around 21 in 2022 after the correction. Then came the best up move of the mid-cap, which continued till the point of September 2024. At this point in time, the PE ratios were 45 of mid-cap index, 45 PE ratio. After that, a correction followed, and currently the PE ratio is trading around 33. Here we can see that the medium range, the average PE ratio is between 24 to 28. But currently, even after the time correction, we can say, because the correction has been uh, like it has risen, so we cannot say that there is a price correction, but there is a time correction. It has went nowhere from September of 2024. So we can say still the PE is not in the undervalued zone. So mid-cap investors should be cautious. Now we take a look at small cap index. It's very interesting. The PE ratio was around 76 in 2021. Super high. After that, because of small cap companies showed high growth, the PE ratio came down, and still in 2022 June, the PE ratio was bottomed out at 21.95. around 22. So at that point, then we saw some up move, but P is still falling. What does this mean? That small cap stocks were showing crazy growth at this time. And in the April of 2023, the small cap index was dirt cheap, 16 PE. You can believe it, 16 PE. And after that, we saw a very sharp up move in the next few couple of years, and the PE ratio then reached at around 32. From that point, we saw that 2025 correction happened, and the PE ratio again moderated to the 24-22 range. Now because of the current recent up move again after the lows of 2025, the PE ratio reached 35, and again we saw some correction. It is this time it's a time correction here. From this to this 2025-2026, we are seeing small cap time correction plus little small ratio of price correction too. So currently on this, the outlook is that the PE ratio is not very low, so we have to be cautious still. We can see more time correction in small cap and mid cap indices. But very interesting thing that I noted was the Nifty Next 50. It's the sweet spot between the large and mid cap. Actually, it's part of Nifty 100. That means that they are the large companies only, but Nifty Next 50 is crazy for currently. The price, we can see the P ratio is currently very low, around 20, whereas the Nifty PE was a little bit more than that, and it's historic lows. The PE is near to the lows of 2022, and this subset of stocks I found them most attractive currently from all these indices. So even after it has not reached to the peak of the 2024 actually, 2024 peak, it has not reached till there. We are seeing high amount of time correction, and PE ratios are very low. So in my view, it's great opportunity to invest in Nifty Next 50 ETF or something. These companies are great. I think why they are so undervalued still. The PE ratio currently is around 20.48. So it's great opportunity to invest currently. So these were my views on key indices, and I'll meet you in the next video. So goodbye till then.